You can also find the approximate depth of the wire. First, trace the path of the wire. Then step to the left or the right of the wire path and hold the receiver at a 45-degree angle, pointing toward the wire. Find the angle that produces the null signal and use that angle, along with the wire position, to triangulate an approximate depth. Finding solenoids and valves. If you want to find a particular valve, connect the red lead of the transmitter to the station wire leading to that valve and the black to the ground. Connect the Pro800D and begin. When you reach the point where a valve or solenoid is located, the signal will expand into an approximate 2 to 4 foot area of signal. This is your indication that you are over a valve or solenoid. Also, signal should not continue past this point.